Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to hide albums on this device. To do it, you need to open your gallery. Here you will see all your photos and videos, but if you will open albums and if you will scroll it down in this way, you will see this icon, lock icon, and this text: release to open private folder. So release, click next, and here you need to find the folder into your system to use this folder as private. So you can create here folder, private, click OK, choose use this folder, allow, and great. Now try to use this folder, click next, use this folder, allow, oh my god. Click set password. Just set a new password from your lock folder, not the password from your screen lock, and click next. Add Mi account to be able to reset your password in case you forget it. Okay, add. And great, Mi account added successfully. Now, if you want to hide any image, just click and hold on it, then choose Add to album and choose private album. Click OK. Turn on Sync for gallery. Click turn on. Click OK. High quality or original. I want to use high quality. Go back, and now add to private album. And now when you will open the private album and when you will type your password, fingerprint, done task again, cancel. Okay, here you will see your hidden photos and videos. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.